Hello, everyone. My name is Miraflor Gamayot, and welcome to Japan, the cultural modes of Japan where tradition meets innovation. Welcome to Japan. Japan's culture is a dynamic blend of ancient rituals, artistic aesthetics, and cutting edge modernity shaped by history, religion, and global exchange. Historical and architectural culture. Fushimi Inari Shrine, Kyoto. Thousands of vermilion torii gates winding up the mountain, symbolizing connections between earth and the divine. We go to Himeji Castle, known as the White Heron Castle. It is a masterpiece of feudal Japanese architecture representing military strategy and craftsmanship. Next stop is Shirakawa, Go-Gashu Sukuri Village. Traditional farmhouses with steep, thatched roofs, reflecting rural life in harmony with nature. These structures embody Japan's reverence for history, nature, and spiritual symbolism. Next would be the religious aesthetic culture Kinkaku-ji. Golden Pavilion Kyoto, its gold leaf exterior reflecting in mirror pond, blending Zen Buddhism and artistic elegance. Ikebana flower arrangement, minimalist compositions that emphasize balance, line, and the beauty of natural forms. Next stop is Zen Garden, Ryuan Jail Temple, Kyoto. Rake sand and moss-covered rocks representing mountains and water, encouraging meditation and contemplation. Shinto and Buddhism shape Japan's spiritual worldview, emphasizing harmony, transience, mono no aware, and mindfulness. Next is the traditional arts and crafts of Japan. First is the kimonos and textiles, intricately woven silk kimonos with patterns inspired by season, for example, cherry blossoms and maple leaves. Next is pottery, raku and imari, handcrafted ceramics often used in tea ceremonies, highlighting natural textures and simplicity. Next is the calligraphy, shudo, fluid brush strokes that blend art, writing, and spiritual expression. These crafts prioritize craftsmanship, functionality, and a deep connection to nature. Next would be I will tackle the festivals and community culture. Geion Matsuri Kyoto, elaborate flutes Yamabuku, parading through streets celebrating traditions and community. And this Hanami cherry blossoms viewing, it's very beautiful. People gathering under blooming sakura trees for picnics, symbolizing the fleeting nature of life. Next is the Nibota Matsuri Aomuri, giant illuminated lanterns depicting mythical figures paired with lively music and dance. Festivals reinforce social bonds, honor deities, and mark seasonal changes. Next is Akihabara, Tokyo. Neon lit streets filled with anime shops, arcades, and cosplayers representing Japan's global influence in gaming and animation. And there we go, the Studio Ghibli art. Characters like Toru or Chihiro from Spirited Away, blending fantasy with themes of nature and childhood. Next is the contemporary fashion, Harajuku street style, mixing bold colors and traditional elements, showcasing Japan's innovative design sense. Modern culture reflects Japan's ability to innovate while drawing on traditional aesthetics and storytelling. Okay, the next stop would be the food. Sushi and sashimi, meticulously plated dishes highlighted fresh seasonal ingredients and precision. Next is the tea ceremony, a ritualized preparation of matcha, emphasizing harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Ramen, it is the favorite of all. Regional varieties like tonkotsu, Kyushu, or miso, Hokkaido, representing comfort food and local identity. Japanese cuisine prioritizes balance, presentation, and a connection to the land. And there you go. Japan's cultural moods weave together past and present, traditions and innovation, inviting the world to connect to shared beauty and creativity. Then start your journey with Japan. Arigato! Thank you!